Hi guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to channel for the latest news, reviews, and updates from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting launches of 2025, the all-new Royal Enfield 125cc. Let's explore how this entry-level machine is reshaping the brand's image and what makes it stand out in its segment. Design and build. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125cc stays true to the brand's retro charm while incorporating modern design elements. With its classic teardrop-shaped fuel tank, round headlamp, and minimalistic styling, the bike carries the DNA of its larger siblings. The premium build quality, combined with thoughtful attention to detail, ensures the 125cc feels every bit like a Royal Enfield, despite being smaller in size. Engine and performance. At its heart, the bike houses a newly developed 125cc air-cooled engine that meets BS6 Phase 2 norms. Producing around 11 to 12 bhp and 11 N of torque, the engine is tuned for smooth, refined performance, making it ideal for city commutes and occasional weekend rides. Coupled with a 5.6 VE for features and technology, Royal Enfield has equipped the 125cc with practical features such as a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and dual-channel ABS, a rare offering in this segment. It also comes with smartphone connectivity for navigation and essential alerts, enhancing the rider's convenience. Ride and comfort. The bike is designed for comfort, featuring a well-padded seat, upright handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, providing a plush ride over city roads and light trails. The lightweight frame ensures agility and confidence for beginner riders. Pricing and competition. Priced competitively around 1.3 lakhs. Ex-showroom, the 125cc targets young riders and those new to motorcycling. It rivals models like the Bajaj Pulsar 125, Honda Shine, and TVS Raider, but its brand value and distinctive retro styling give it a unique edge. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield 125cc is more than just a smaller bike. It's a gateway for new riders to experience the brand's heritage and riding ethos, with its balance of style, performance, and affordability. This entry-level offering has the potential to attract a broader audience to the Royal Enfield family. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more reviews and updates. Let us know your thoughts on the Royal Enfield 125cc in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all things bikes.